Where'd you get that? Dude, that's where my mom got mine. Yes. You right there?
Yeah.
We love Jesus very, very much.
Woo.
And we believe that Jesus is a God of healing and is a God of love. So on the way here or last night or something, Christian was praying and he felt like God was telling him that someone here today has pain in their left foot,
right foot,
right foot,
right wrist.
That's left.
Yeah,
left foot, or left wrist, or has a headache. So if that's anyone here, yeah, where, what, what's wrong with you? You broke your foot. Oh, your foot hurts. And what's wrong with you? Your wrist hurts. And who else raised their hand? I saw someone. You, what's wrong with you? You twisted your ankle? Okay, well, I'm all the way up here, so if you three, you and you and you, and anyone else, come up. This is Dimitri, he's from Field of Blood. He's going to pray for you. God has enabled him with the power to, and the anointing to see people be healed, and God has healed a ton of people, myself included, through Dimitri. So if you guys want to come up, Dimitri wants to pray with you guys, and it's going to be awesome hearing this next song. This song's about breathing life, which has a lot to do with healing and stuff. The song is about prophecy, and here we go. Dimitri?
Yeah, make sure you get prayer, because I don't want to see you get cheated out of a blessing.
Yeah.
Don't let the enemy...
And if you don't want to come to us, there's a sweet prayer tent back there. I don't know what they're doing. There's like 500 people in there, which is awkward, but you guys can go back there. I support it. The song's called Penguin. It's our last song. Stick around.
Good times.
Alright.
How do you turn this thing off?
Look at a booger coming out.
How do you turn this thing off?
Push the red button.